Welcome to Internet Winner. My name is Natalie. Are you tired of juggling a million tasks while trying to grow your small business? In this video, I share with you 5 easy steps to grow and supercharge your small business with Canva AI Assistant, along with real use cases. With the recent launch of Canva AI Assistant, free and pro users are now able to become more productive and creative with this set of Canva AI-powered online tools. And number 1 from this list is Magic Design feature. It's still in beta. Magic Design can create on-brand design templates based on user prompts and assets. To get started, you start by uploading your media to your upload folder. You choose the media. You add a title or a headline to be applied to your design and customize the design with a specific style. As a real use case example, when building presentations, so click on presentations, you can type out your ideas and the app will generate entire slides filled with content. For instance, a marketing company can type marketing product launch 2024 presentation. So click on Magic Design, enter your prompt, press enter and watch the app creating a visual appealing slide with relevant graphics and placeholders. And from here, you choose between 2 choices. Start again if you don't like its content, or click to create the presentation button. To the left side, you determine the template style to be applied. There are 8 styles available, and I suggest you play around to figure out what's the suitable style for your brand. Once you are pleased, click on Create My Presentation button. Click on this button, present full screen, and there you go. Your presentation has been crafted in a matter of seconds. It is suggested this color since my logo has blue color tones. A couple of things you can do to customize your presentation include add a new page by clicking on this plus sign, add a transition, let's add one. You click on this little icon, then you choose from this list, chop, stack, flow, line wipe, slide, circle wipe, dissolve. I go with this one. By clicking on this, you can also duplicate the page, expand it, and you can also rate the Canva presentation experience. And once you are satisfied, you click to share, click on this button. You can download it, share on social media, print your design, and share it to social media channels. My number 2 is Magic Write feature. Previously exclusive to Canva Docs, Magic Write is now available across all Visual Suite apps. It's powered by ChatGPT. It suggests content topics based on user prompts. With this feature, you can use it to craft high-quality short or long-form content for your blog or sales emails. Approximately 500 words limit per use. This is an excellent way to brainstorm visual ideas for your business. Press the Magic Write. It works with questions or instructions and has a real use case example. Let's say a marketing company can enter your prompts. As for me, I want to generate content around fashion trends 2024. Generate or press Ctrl Enter from your keyboard. And now I receive these suggestions for blog topics or content pieces related to sustainable fashion. We can change the background color, we can change the fonts, and so much more. Number 3 is Magic Eraser feature. This tool uses AI to remove unwanted distractions in photos and replace elements to better align with the brand's messaging. As a real use case example, I've got my Facebook cover design. I want to remove these shaking hands. So let's put here. For easy access, you can utilize the Canva AI Assistant. You enter here magic eraser. There you go. And the way it works, you use the brush. So let's adjust to 100%. I want to erase the shaking hand. So I brush over. Wait a few seconds. There you go. It's perfect. It's really cool. As another example, I upload my media file from my computer. It's this one. Let's open up. So I delete this one. I adjust the size and I want to remove this object, this element. You click on the edit photo, select the magic eraser, and now I'm brushing over the image. Let's say I want to remove this screen monitor. So I brush over, wait a few seconds, and I assure it's very cool. The object has been removed. Number 4 is text-to-image generator. Text-to-image generator lets you create unique images from a simple description in seconds. Just type what you are looking for and watch your words transform into unique images. I input here tropical beach vacation, and I will receive a high-resolution image that captures the essence of a beach vacation. And underneath, you determine here the styles you want to use. I go this time with filmic, but you can use watercolor, a photo, a dreamy, or an anime. I'm going with a photo and the aspect ratio. Let's go with a square one. So click to create. As a pro user, I can use 500 credits per month. Wait a few seconds and then you are prompted with 4 options. Let's try this one. Okay. Then drag it on the last one. Any of these photos are fantastic ones and you can click to create again if you don't like it, or to go back. The last one is the translate feature. This is a built-in translation software that generates, copy and support 100 languages. As an example, if your small business operates in multiple different countries, you can easily translate in your campaigns for different languages. For instance, an English campaign about a product, this brand guideline written in English, I want to translate it into Spanish, ensuring me that the message resonates with my target audience in Spain. So, my brand guideline consists of text and graphic designs, and now I want to translate into Spanish. Click on this translate, and now you select here the language. You can translate the full page or select text from current page. Let's use translate from current page. I need to select which text. I just want to translate this one. So select it and then click to translate. Wait a few seconds and there you have it. This paragraph has been translated into a Spanish language and now I can share it with the country. This is just a simple introduction to Canva's AI Assistant tools, and they are super convenient for small business owners. Have you already tried out any of these? Leave your comment down below. In the meantime, if you need to create a one-page website with a navigation bar in Canva, I suggest you watch my step-by-step video, which is showing up on your screen. Thank you for watching. See you next time.